In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use a template in Kit. We'll start by setting up a reusable email template, and then I'll show you how to apply it to your broadcasts so your emails look consistent every time, without having to rebuild the design from scratch. First, let's create the template. In your Kit account, go to the main navigation and click Send, then choose Email Templates. This is where all of your reusable email designs live. To create a new one, click the option labeled New Email Template. That opens up the template builder. Kit will ask you to choose a starting point. Here, you can pick a style like Classic, Modern, or Text Only. Classic and Modern are great if you want a more designed look with images and layout options. Text Only is best if you prefer a simple, plain text style that feels more like a personal email. Choose the one that best matches your brand and how you like to communicate with your audience. Once you've picked a starting point, you'll be in the visual editor. This is where you set your global styles, which are the default design settings that will apply to emails using this template. Start by clicking on the background area of the email. From here, you can choose your brand colors and adjust the width of the email. Try to use colors that match your website or logo so your emails feel cohesive with the rest of your brand. Next, you can add blocks to the template. These are reusable elements that will appear every time you use this design. Drag in a header image if you have a logo or banner you want at the top of every email. You can also add social icons so subscribers can easily find you on your social platforms. Finally, add a footer block. This should include your required unsubscribe link and any other standard information you need at the bottom of each email. Setting this up once in the template saves you time and helps keep you compliant with email regulations. When you're happy with your layout and styling, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. Your template is now ready to use. Now let's use that template in a broadcast. Again, click Send, then Broadcasts, and choose New Broadcast. This opens the email editor for a one-time or scheduled send to your list. On the right-hand side, look for the template section in the sidebar. You'll see the name of the template you just created. Click on it to apply it. As soon as you do, the editor will wrap your content in that design. Your header, colors, footer, and any other blocks you set up will appear automatically, and you can focus on writing your message instead of rebuilding the layout every time. That's all it takes to create a polished, reusable template in Kit and use it for your broadcasts.